So look at Annabelle. She's very, very keen to look in the box and see what Mummy's got. She's like, I don't understand, Mummy. What have you got? Well, let me move these little things out the way. Mummy will tell you. Thanks, Mummy. See your little birdie here. Poo-poo or foo-foo or what did you call him? What did you call him? Can't remember? It doesn't matter. You can call him whatever you like. Okay, so shall we remind everybody? You've wrapped him up, haven't you, so he doesn't fly away. So Annabelle's wrapped her birdie up so he doesn't fly away. And why have you wrapped him up so he doesn't fly away? Are you going to tell everybody? You want to tell everybody? No, you want Mummy to. Because, do you know she's got John? Who's John? John is her bunny rabbit. And she's worried that her birdie is going to eat her bunny rabbit. Aren't you? Yeah, you don't want him to eat your bunny rabbit. He won't eat your bunny rabbit. But she's quite distraught about that thought. What? What else? What? Tell me then. Use your words. Use your words. I know. So another thing she's worried about is her birdie flying away. Shall I show everybody your birdie? He's attached to Woody, so he won't fly away. There is her birdie. So she has been really, really bothered, haven't you, about your birdie flying away or eating John, your bunny. Now we're doing this and John is safe in his cage over there. And I'm going to show Annabelle we've got you something special. Something where you can put your birdie. Oh, excuse Mummy. Somewhere you can put your birdie. Yeah, cheep, 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 cheep. That's what your birdie says, isn't it? And Millie wants to come and see as well. We'll put birdie down there. You can't have the birdie. You can't have the birdie. You just go away, Millie. Go away, not my birdie. He's my birdie. He's your birdie, isn't he? We'll put your birdie back there for a minute, though. Ow, caught Mummy's nail. All right. Shall we see what's in the box? Yeah, you want to see what's in the box? Yeah, sit down. Ready? This is the first thing. I know, that's a funny looking thing, isn't it? You're going to hold on to that? Okay, you hold on to that then. Wow, what is that? That's a funny looking thing. It is that you have a dink out of that, are you? Wow. You could. What's that? That's another thing for your birdie. And look at this, Annabelle. Look at this, it's so funny. You can see yourself. She can see herself. You can see yourself with that. What? What are we going to do with it? What are we going to do with all these things? You don't know? Mum's going to show you. Yeah? Here we are outside. Now you can see what it is. We need to come outside because birdies need to be outside, don't they, Annabelle, and have some air. So it is a little home for her birdies. It's actually a transporting cage for small birds and animals. That's perfect for what I wanted it for. And it's got a little perch and it's got a handle so you can carry it around, Annabelle, can't you? I think the food section's a bit big. Hope you're going to clean it out, young lady. I know. Now it's all safe, isn't it? So it's got like a handle there. It lifts up here. Just handle a bit. Lifts up there. Oh, yeah, I won't lift him up for very long. And he's got his little toy in there, hasn't he? And Annabelle is very happy now, and that is all I care about. It really is. My girl and her new toy, her new cage. Hey, all safe now. Everybody's all safe. So there she is peering in on a birdie. I know to some this might seem as a waste of money. It cost me totally £10 English to get this stuff. The cage and that, the bird I bought the other day on an outing. Who doesn't treat themselves when they're out? But as a child, I had a little budgie called Bluey. I didn't have a very good childhood that's well documented and recorded with the police. Annabelle here is my little therapy girl. So I do a lot with her that helps the inner child in me recover from those awful times. So things like this, while they may seem, if you'll just come across me, they may seem weird and crazy and a nutter and a waste of money. Come and have a chat to me and find out my story, because to me it is helping. I've come a long way, and she is having a great time, and that really is all that matters to me, is that little inner child feels safe. So thanks for watching us, and Annabelle, Anna Birdie, and the little new cage. So we have a rabbit and a bird now. I wonder what's next. Watch this space. Bye everyone.